Hey guys, my name is Mark from Health Next, and today we have come up with a video showing 8 penalty-friendly foods to boost T levels, sperm count, and more. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains has benefits for your sexual health and may reduce your erectile dysfunction risk. Healthy choices with proven benefits include spinach and carrots. Well, watch the video carefully. Hey, thank you for watching. Those are the 8 foods that can help you in different ways as a man. Well, let's look at this question. Many people have been asking whether it's possible to enlarge penis size. Well, research has been found that the average size of a penis is between 5.1 to 5.5 inches. And there are some methods actually to make a penis larger, but they may work temporarily and sometimes not at all. Soon I'll be making a video showing how to enlarge the penis size, and just make sure I subscribe to this channel and wait for the video, because if you don't subscribe you will not be able to watch the video. Just make sure you have subscribed so that you get notified ASAP when the video is uploaded. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay well, health next, life secure. It's Mark.